Imagine walking into a beautiful house. Perfect kitchen, huge living room, nice neighborhood. And then the bank tells you, congratulations, you qualify for a $500,000 mortgage. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the question most people don't ask. Just because you can afford the house doesn't mean you can afford the lifestyle that comes with it. Meet Jake. Jake gets a great job and starts making more money. He gets pre-approved for a $500,000 home. He's excited. He imagines weekend barbecues, a beautiful backyard, and finally owning his dream home. The mortgage payment looks manageable, so Jake says, why not? But then the other bills start arriving. Property taxes, homeowners insurance, utilities, maintenance, repairs, and suddenly that $500,000 house costs a lot more than Jake expected. One day, the air conditioner breaks. Another month, the roof needs repairs. Then there's landscaping, plumbing, appliances, and higher utility bills. None of these costs appeared on the original house price. And that's the problem. The purchase price is only one part of homeownership. A house can be a valuable long-term asset, but it can also become a huge monthly expense if you stretch your budget too far. And now, Jake has a beautiful house, but very little money left over. Now, imagine Jake chooses a different path. Instead of buying the most expensive house the bank approves, he chooses a home he can comfortably afford. His monthly expenses are lower. He has room for emergencies. He can continue investing, and he still gets to enjoy homeownership. The difference isn't about buying a cheap house. It's about avoiding a situation where your house owns your paycheck. Because financial freedom isn't just about owning property. It's about having enough money left after your bills to actually live your life. So before you buy your dream home, don't just ask, how much will the bank lend me? Ask, how much can I comfortably afford? Because the biggest house you qualify for may not be the smartest house for your future. Your home should give you security, not financial stress. And remember, being house rich and cash poor isn't the same as being wealthy. Subscribe for more simple money lessons.